Good morning, Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar fan. This is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. And this is the second edition to our Vivridration shots. Last week we went over the main ingredient, which is beets. And remember, beets helps to improve your blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increases exercise performance. Now, one of the second ingredients in this jam-packed wellness shots that contains 9 different ingredients. The second ingredient is ginger. Now, ginger helps to reduce inflammation. It helps with muscle pain. It helps to prevent heart disease. It also helps treat indigestion. And it helps overcome menstrual cramps. So thanks for tuning in again. This is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. We're located in Mableton, Georgia, and we're also located in Greenbrier Mall in Atlanta. Next week, I'll be talking to you again about our Vivridration shots and another ingredient that we put in our shots. Talk to you soon.